A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Now, what just happened in memory was this. We have A is pointing to an area in memory, and in this area of memory is 1, 2, and 3. B is also pointing to a 1, 2, and 3, but it's in a different area of memory, separate areas of memory. How can you be sure? I get the ID, the address of A, and the ID of B. Print them out, and you can see. Just look at the last three numbers, 352, 936. These are different areas of memory. Area A is pointing to this guy here, 345,67352. This guy here. Area B is pointing to this guy over here, 345,65936. That's this guy here. Two separate, distinct areas of memory. So if I now key in B's 1th element, it has a 0, 1, and 2th element. The 1th element is this guy here, which holds the value 2. B, the 1th element, is going to be now equal to 99. Now, A and B, let's see what's in them. 1, 2, and 3 is A. 199 and 3 is now B. B now is a 99 in the 1th location. But now I'm throwing a monkey wrench into the engine. B is now equal to A. What did I just do? I just did the following. I took B and I said, B, you are no longer pointing to this area. You are now pointing to this area. What does that mean for this? That means this area here gets garbage collected. It's not being referenced by a variable. It's going to be gone. Garbage collected. Now if I key in A, comma, B, they'll both say 1, 2, 3. And they do. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3. What about their IDs? What's the addresses of both A and B? Let's find out now. ID of A, comma, ID of B. Dollars to donuts, it's going to be 345,67352 for both of them, and it is 345,67352. 345,67352. They're both the same. B is now pointing to the same area as is A. That means if I now say B, element 1, you're now equal to 99. What have I just done? I have just changed the value of the 1th element that both A and B are pointing to. So now I just did this. So B's 1th element is now pointing to a 99. But so is A's 1th element. It's pointing to the same data. Wow. Because they're both pointing to the same address. Let's find out if that's true. A and B, print them both out, and wow, that's exactly what we get. 99 in both of their elements. Can I change that back to what it was previously? Sure I can. I can just very simply go like this. B is now equal to 1, comma, 99, comma, 3. And hit enter. What the system now does is the following. It creates another area in memory with those same exact numbers, one that I just keyed in here, 199 and 3. And it puts this into memory, and it takes B and points it now at this location. Now, A is pointing to 199.3 here, and B is pointing to 199.3 here. These guys are separate areas of memory. If I change A, its 1th value, 1th element, and I change that to 67. Now, when I print out A and B, look what I get. 167.3 and 199.3. These are separate areas of memory now. So now, as you can see over here on the right, when I keyed in on the left, A1 equals 67, this is what happened. And this has no effect on the 1th element of B now, because they're both pointing to separate areas in memory. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Are you willing to put it to the test? Yes, I am. ID of A comma, ID of B, we will see they're pointing to different locations in memory. And they are. Last three digits, 352. Last three digits, 608. Of A and B, respectively. This is George Boole. I hope this video was useful to you. Please rate and share it. I'd appreciate that. Good luck.